Hello, and welcome to the 2016 NRG game animation. This year's game, SOS Synergy. The game is played between 4 randomly selected teams, each in an alliance of 2. Each team consists of a student driver, an adult mentor, and an Arduino robot. Remember, a team on your alliance may be your opponent in the next round. The game is played on an 8x8 foot field with 1 foot high walls with a foam tile floor, including a center line, 2 alliance-specific ramps called beacons, and 3 different zones. The red supply zone, the blue supply zone, and the fuel starting zone. Each of these will be marked on the field floor. Each alliance starts with 1 robot on either side of the white center line. Robots may not cross the center line, so make sure to work as a team in order to score. Each match begins with a 105-second driver control period, followed by a 30-second endgame. Alliances find themselves on a deserted island and must gather fuel to activate a beacon to escape. Gather supply rings to stay alive on the island until help can come. The game is played with 50 racket balls called fuel. Each fuel scored into a beacon is worth 5 points. There are also 12 alliance color specific rings which are called supply rings. Supply rings that match your alliance's color are 7 points, while opposite colored rings will subtract 3 points. Gather supplies and place your fuel into your alliance's beacon to get rescued from the deserted island before the time runs out. The last 30 seconds of the match marks the endgame. During the endgame, robots are allowed to cross the center line. At the end of the match, park your robot on the alliance's beacon to get rescued. 1 robot is worth 5 points, and 2 robots are worth 15 points. The alliance with the most points at the end of the game wins the match. Some additional rules and penalties include pinning a robot is a 10-point penalty and an extra 5-point penalty every 5 seconds that robot remains pinned. Robots may not drive on the opposing alliance's beacon. Breaking this rule will result in a 20-point penalty. And crossing the center line before the end game is a 10-point penalty. Please read the game manual for additional rules and instructions. As always, good luck teams, and we'll see you at this year's NRG competition, SOS Synergy.